Hello students, your chapter 1 has finished. So from today I will start chapter 2 more about Windows. Okay, now the first question is what is Windows? Okay, Windows is a operating system. Windows is a operating system. Now what is operating system? Operating system is the main software of the computer. Okay, what is the use of software? Software is a set of programs that is used to give the instructions to do a work. Okay, software is used to give the instructions to the computer to do a work. Okay, so that is the main software who manage all the parts of the computer. All the hardware parts and software parts managed by the main software. The name of that software is operating system. Okay, that is called operating system. That is the main software of the computer. Okay, every time when you switch on the computer in your lab, you will see a Windows 7 icons. That Windows 7 is a example of operating system. In your system, which operating system is installed? Windows operating system installed in your computer to operate your computer. Okay, computer means system. Here the system and computer means same. Okay, so Windows operating system installed in your computer to operate your system or your computer. Okay, that's why the name of this software is operating system. So today we will discuss about Windows software. Okay, the name of Windows software is MS Windows because this software is developed by Microsoft company. That's why the name of this software is MS Windows. Okay, now see, the operating system is the main software of a computer. Its job is to operate the computer, manage its resources. Resources means hardware resources and software resources, and provide user a way to work on the computer. MS Windows is an operating system software developed by the Microsoft Corporation, USA. Okay, the first version of Windows was introduced in 1985 as Windows 1.0. Okay, means the first version. You know, when a software launched first time, that is called the first version of that software. Okay, after that, when we use that software and we face some problem in that software, okay, so we complained it to that company who developed that software. So that company resolved the problem of that that one appears on that software. Okay, or make good features or give an extra feature in that software, and after that when it relaunched that software, that one is called the second version of that software. Means every time when it relaunches the software, then it will do some extra things in that software. It will give some extra options, some extra feature in that software. That is called a second version or third version or fourth version. Okay, that is called versions. Okay, the first time when it will introduce, that is called Windows 1.0. that is called first version. Okay, that is called first version. Okay, now see, since then, means from 1985, how many versions of Windows software have been released? Okay, some are mentioned below, not all, some are. Okay, now see, Windows 95 launched in 95, Windows 98 launched 1998, Windows XP launched 2001, Windows 7, that one you will use that one you are using in your computer lab, that one is Windows 7. Windows 7 launched in 2009. After that, Windows 8 and 8.1 launched 2012 and 13, and now Windows 10 is launched in 2015. Okay, in your computer system that software is installed. Okay, got it? Now understand some features of Windows 7. Windows 7 is very popular version of Windows operating system. It includes many new features to make working on computers a pleasant experience. Okay, Arrow Peak, Arrow Snap, Arrow Sec are three such features. Let us learn how to use them. Okay, now understand it clearly, carefully. Okay, look here. Arrow Peak is a feature that is designed to allow us work on the computer easily when multiple windows are open on the desktop. Suppose that you are working on your computer system and you open first you open MS Word, then after that you opened MS Paint, okay, and some more applications like MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, Notepad. Okay, after that, how will you work with that multiple windows? Look here, you can see this button, show desktop button. Okay, what is the use of this one? When 5 or 6 application opened on your desktop, so if you want to minimize in a taskbar, then there are two ways to do it. First, one by one you will minimize it. Second, you will click here in a show desktop button, then all will be minimized together and you will see the desktop. Look, show desktop button that lies at the right edge of the taskbar is a part of the Arrow Peak feature. When many windows are open on the desktop, just click on the show desktop button. All windows will get minimized and we will see the desktop. Means after that you will see the desktop. Okay, desktop screen will be clean and looking clean and clear. And why? Because all the application will be minimized where? In a taskbar. Okay, together in the at a single click when you click on the show desktop button. Otherwise you have to minimize one by one. Okay, so that is use of Arrow Peak. Okay, second option of the Arrow Peak is a taskbar preview. Okay, when all the windows get minimized in the taskbar, okay, so after that you can open application one by one. Which application do you want to open? The icons of all 5 windows that you opened on the system will appear in the form of small icons in a taskbar. Okay, when you place your mouse pointer here, then you will see the thumbnail image of that software, thumbnail image of that, okay, application. Okay, when you place here, then WordPad will open. Otherwise when you will place here, then media player will open. When you place other icons, then that application will appear in a form of thumbnail images. Okay, and after that, on which application you want to start work, just click on that thumbnail image. That software, that program will be open on the screen. Okay, that is use of taskbar preview. Taskbar preview is another Arrow Peak feature in the Windows 7. When many windows are open on the desktop, we can have a quick view of what is there in a particular window simply by pointing at its icon on the taskbar, and we can open the window by clicking on its taskbar preview. Okay, so one by one we can reopen the windows or program that minimized with the help of show desktop option. Okay, now understand the next one, arrow snap. What is the use of arrow snap? Arrow snap feature allows us to quickly resize windows to cover the left half or right half the desktop screen. Means suppose that one application is open on your computer, so just hold it with title bar and drag it left and right. When this corner touch to this edge of the screen, then it will be minimized and cover the half screen, of the computer. And when it touches the right edge, then it will cover the right half screen. Okay, half screen of the from the right side. So use of this feature is you can open two applications together in the single screen. You can open the two Windows program in the single screen. Okay, that is use of arrow snap. Look here, arrow snap feature allows us to quickly resize the window to cover left half or right half of the desktop screen. The steps are: hold the windows from the title bar, drag it towards the left or right side. When the pointer hits the left edge, leave the left mouse button. The windows will snap to the left edge and will resize itself to cover the left half or right half of the screen. Means automatically there's no need to resize. According to screen. Automatically it will resize according to screen and cover the half part of the screen when it will hit the left corner. When it will hit the right corner, then it will cover the half part of the screen from the right side. Okay, so you can open two applications on the same screen without adjusting the size. The another way, you can minimize the screen with the help of mouse. You can drag and down and resize the screen, and you can open a two program together and you can do a work on them. But with the help of this option, automatically it will cover the half screen. There's no need to adjust the size with the help of mouse button. Okay, now look here, that is the activity you will do at home. If you have a computer, then open many applications and do this option. Arrow snap left to cover the half screen from the left side. You will do this option with the help of keyboards. That process you will do with the help of mouse, and that one is a short key that will use you can use with the help of keyboards. Okay, combination means Windows icons and plus left arrow key. When you will press together, then arrow snap left will happen. Okay, for arrow snap right, you will press together Win plus right arrow keys. Okay, and for maximize means it's a original form. You will click Windows plus up arrow keys together. Okay, now understand the next feature, arrow set. What is the use of arrow set? Look, if you will click on the show desktop button, then it will be minimize all the open program. Okay, the another way is arrow set. Arrow set allows us to quickly minimize every open windows except the one we are checking. The difference between arrow peek and arrow set: in the case of arrow peek, all windows will get minimized. When you click on the show desktop button, then all windows will get minimized. Okay, the difference is when you hold the window with the help of mouse pointer and shake it, then all the windows get minimized except that one you are shaking. Suppose that 5 windows are open. One is MS Word, second is WordPad, third is Notepad, fourth is MS Paint, fifth is MS PowerPoint. Okay, and you want to do a work on the MS PowerPoint. Okay, then just hold the MS PowerPoint with the help of mouse pointer and shake it like that. Okay, then after that, except MS PowerPoint, all all four windows will get minimized. Means WordPad, Notepad, MS Paint and MS Word will get minimized on the taskbar. Only MS PowerPoint will open. Okay, so that is use of. In that case, in the case of arrow peak, if you will use the show desktop button, then all windows will get minimized. When you will use arrow shake, then except that window, all windows will get minimized. Okay, so look here, arrow shake allows us to quickly minimize every open windows except the one we are shaking. Okay, the steps: click on the windows that you want to keep open on the desktop, grab it the title bar and drag back and forth quickly like that. Okay, then all other windows except the one you shook will get minimized. Clear? Shaking the windows again will restore the all minimized windows to the desktop. Okay, then if you want to again restore the minimized window on the desktop, then again shake the same window, so it will restore all the minimized windows to the desktop. Got it? Okay students, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. You can see in a WhatsApp group. Okay,